Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to unsend all messages on Instagram at once, then this video is for you. Watch complete video to learn how to unsend all messages on Instagram at once. In this video, I am going to show you how to do this. First of all, open Instagram app from your mobile phone. Click on send button at top right. Here you have opened the chat which you want to delete by clicking on it. For example, I am going to open this chat. Click and hold on any message of the chat. Choose unsent message here. You can unsend any message separately. This is the only way to unsend a message. This is not possible to unsend messages at once. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.